come here for vegetarian food today. Well, my friend say the vegetarian food is good, so let's go and see. There he is, vegetarian food. So, Mr. 30 million, come, let's go makan vegetarian food. Okay, it's a vegetarian shop. So, this is the menu. Wow, looks not bad, man. Can't differentiate already between got meat and no meat. Vegetarian char kway teow. Vegetarian char kway teow, looks good.
Try that as well.
Okay. My Hainan kopi here. Upsize. Kosong lah, so no need to stir lah, right? Okay, my onion garlic fried rice. Some garlic fried rice. So okay, looks good. Vegetarian guys, mind you. Looks good, right? Bet it tastes good as well. Come, must have chili potong.